Changing your phone number associated with your Apple TV Plus account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. This is where you can manage your account and preferences. Step 2. Sign into your account. Select the option to sign in if you are not already logged in. Enter your Apple ID and password to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. Once signed in, scroll down to find the Account section. Here, you will see your account details, including your phone number. Step 4. Edit phone number. Select the option to edit your phone number. Enter a new phone number in the provided field and ensure it is correct. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a verification code via SMS to confirm the update. Once you have completed these steps, your phone number will be updated on your Apple TV Plus account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Apple support for assistance.